Hi, I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we're going to do a quick Mompreneur Monday. As you can see, I am prepping my shop for Christmas and all things holiday. And yes, it is still October and I honestly feel like I'm a little behind. I wanted to talk to you today about gift bundles, gift sets, and getting your shop ready for the holidays. So first off, if you do not have a gift set or some type of giftable items in your shop, you are missing out. Even if you sell things that aren't Christmas, could you make a bundle of, say you sell candles and you put a bundle of 3 together to make a perfect gift? Could you do some gifts under $50? Could you do some gifts under 25? If you sell kids Christmas shirts, could you add a embroidered ornament or a sublimated ornament with it? Could you do a hot cocoa mug personalized with your Christmas pajamas and create an extra value for your customer, for your shop? That's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm taking lots of photos. I'm doing mock-ups, flat lays, all types of things to try to drum up interest for different types of gift bundles. The second thing I'm going to do is add a gift wrap option. I'm going to physically put a picture up as one of my cards in my Etsy shop of the gift wrap options, the different paper I'll use, an example of the note or box that I'll be in to make my items super giftable and make it an easy choice to buy for my customers. It'd be a no-brainer Christmas present, and so I wanted to make it as easy as possible to give my products as a gift. So we're going to add gift wrap options to our shop. We can do special notes, special paper. Make sure you add that as an option. We are going to add gift bundles. Even if you don't sell Christmas stuff, find some different types of bundles together, whether it's a sweatshirt, a mug, and a hat, or a baby set with a blanket and a coming home gift. Some type of gift set, put it in your shop and see how it does. And then refresh your banner and update some pictures to give it a little more festive feel. Shoppers are ready to buy for Christmas, and so go ahead and get your shop ready. Change your banner to some holiday stuff. Even if you don't sell holiday things, make it look festive and get your stuff up and ready to buy. So that is my tip for Mompreneur Monday. Get your shops ready with gift bundles, gift wrapping. Have a successful holiday selling season. Bye for now.